Welcome. Today, we explore the power of emotional intelligence, the key to better relationships, success, and self-awareness. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, manage, and express our emotions, while also recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. Components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, social skills. These 5 components form the foundation of emotional intelligence. Self-awareness helps you recognize your emotions and their impact on your behavior. Managing your emotions allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Empathy enables us to connect deeply with others, fostering trust and understanding. Here are simple ways to enhance your emotional intelligence every day. Practical tips to improve emotional intelligence. Here are the tips. Practice mindfulness, listen actively, reflect on your feelings, develop empathy, manage stress effectively. Improving your emotional intelligence leads to better relationships, success at work, and a happier life. Emotional intelligence is the master key to success and happiness. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more motivational and educational videos. Check out our playlist on personal growth and emotional well-being.